Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. We are on topic 3, which is system of linear equation. So this is the system of linear equations which when we want to interpret in the form of matrix, it will be like this. Okay, all the B will be in this matrix, all the x1, x2, okay, all will be in this matrix, okay, and the matrix of A11, A12, AMN, all in this here matrix, okay. Make it in the same order. If this one is in this A11 here, then A11 in the matrix also must be here. Same goes to A1N. A1N at this place, then in the matrix also at this place, okay. So we have a questions on the system of linear equations. So we need to solve the following linear equation. This is the linear equation, the system of linear equation. And now before we solve it, let's interpret in the form of matrix. So all the numbers, okay, all the numbers, the constant A11, A12, A13, the array will be in the first matrix, okay. This is matrix. Okay, let's say this is the matrix A, okay. Okay, let's see here. So what's the constant before X is, this is 1. Before Y is 1 also. Before Z is 1. So what about here? There is nothing. It means that it is 0. So put here 0 and then 2, 5. And then for the third row, 2, 5. And then before Z, what is the constants? -1. And then just put X, Y, Z in the right order. So this one is X, Y, and Z. So the first is X, the second is Y, the third is Z. So make sure the matrix form also in the same order, X, Y, and Z. And then for the, so let's say this is the matrix for X, okay. And then let's say this is the matrix for B. Okay, B, okay, in the same order as in the linear equation system. So the first one is 6 and then -4 and then 27. So make it in the same order, okay. So now we know A, we know X, and then we know B. So to solve the following linear equations, so how to do? So it will be like this, right? A times X equals to B. And we want to know what is X. X doesn't have the numbers. So we want to know what is X. So when we want to make X as the function, so when A will go to the right side, it will be A power of -1 times B. So therefore, we to find the X, okay, the value of X, we need to know the inverse of X, the inverse of A. So inverse of A. Inverse of A, what's the we have two methods to find inverse of A. Okay, once again, okay, to find the inverse of A, we have two methods which we can use the elementary row operation, which we have studied in the first topic, or okay, the inverse of A, which can be found in topic 2, which we use the cofactor expansion. Okay, so this is from I use the method from the chapter 2, okay, which the method from cofactor expansion. Okay, So to find the inverse of A, we need to know 1 over determinant of A and then times adjoint A. So first, what I will do is I will find the determinant of A. So I use the method that I have teach you in the chapter 2, which I use all that goes to the right, okay, will be positive, and then all that goes to the left will be negative. So I got negative 21. So calculate it by yourself, okay, as I have teach you on chapter 2. Then we got the negative 21. So what about adjoint A? So adjoint A, so we need to find, since the matrix is 3 by 3 matrix, so we have to find 9 array, okay. This is the formula. If A11, then 1 plus 1, then A11. Okay, A11 is here, right? So it is in the first row and first column. Therefore, we eliminate the first row and first column, which will only left 2, 5, and 5, negative 1. Okay? So it will be like this, right? 2, 5, 5, negative 1. Then do the determinant and find it. Okay? Negative 1. Power of 2. Okay? Will be 1, right? So 1 times negative 27 will be negative 27. So the same goes to A12, A13, A21. Okay? We find all the value for all the array. And then we can find the adjoint A. The adjoint A, okay, remember adjoint A, so the order of the array is the transpose of the normal matrix. So normal matrix will be like A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and then A33. Okay, this is, so this is the normal matrix. So when when we want to calculate the adjoint A, then transpose the normal matrix and it will be like this. Okay, and then just fill in the blank. Okay, let's say A33 is here, right? Is here. So A33 is 2. And then A33 is here. So A33 is negative 5. So put here negative 5. And so on. Okay? Okay, using the cofactor expansion method, we can find the inverse of A. So this is the determinant of A. This is the adjoint A. So just multiply. Okay, we got this one. And then remember, this is what we want to find. We want to find the X. So we got the inverse of A. Okay, this is the inverse of A. Okay, we need to time with B. So X equals to inverse of A times B. So just normal multiplication operation. So we got this value. Okay. This is just another how to calculate the X lah. Okay. This is the inverse of A, which this is the from the cofactor expansion method. This is the determinant of A. This is the adjoint A. And then this is the B. So 1 over determinant of A times adjoint A is inverse of A, right? So I just put here all. Here I put. Okay. So I just the adjoint A. Okay. I multiply with the B. After I got the answer, then I will times with the 1 over determinant of A. Then I got the answer. So same answer. Only just just the order of the operation is different. Okay. Cara saya darab, cara susunan order of multiplication tu saya buat cara yang berbeza. Okay. Tu je. Thank you.